Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Today we have an opportunity from the company Graphics and Web Solution. They're looking for a call center representative. It pays from $13 per hour to $22.90 per hour. They're looking for a strong team player. Ideal candidate will be a self-starter and have a strong will to do things right the first time. Guide and process customer orders and inquiries in a fast-paced environment using world-class technology. Communicate with customers via phone, email, and chat. Solve customer problems and find best possible solutions. Help customers navigate website and place orders online. Provide knowledgeable answers to questions about products, pricing, and availability. Respond to shipping inquiries and answer order status questions. Become a product expert and understand each customer needs to provide real and effective solutions and deliver exceptional customer service. This job is full-time or part-time, pays from $13.49 per hour to $22.90 per hour. Some of the benefits include 401k, schedule with some weekend availability, and supplemental pay such as commission pay, education, high school, diploma, or equivalent preferred, and experience 1 year in call center preferred and 1 year in customer service preferred. If you feel like you're the perfect candidate for this position, we'll put the link right in the description below so you can apply right away. But if not, it's okay. We're going to have 5 to 7 job leads every single day on this particular channel. All you have to do is keep up with us by subscribing and hit the notification bell so every time we have a brand new best remote work from home job, you can be one of the first to know. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.